In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies on tasks in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you want to head over to your Asana project where you're looking to set up a sequenced workflow for your team. This is a crucial step because establishing a clear order of tasks can really help streamline your project management. Once you're in the right project, click on the specific task that can only begin after another task is finished. For instance, let's say you have a task for drafting the report, which needs to take place only after researching data is completed. Click on Drafting the Report to open up its details. Now, over on the right side of your screen, you'll see the Task Details panel. This is where all the magic happens. Look closely, and you should find a section specifically labeled Dependencies. This is what we're going to be setting up today to illustrate that one task relies on another. Go ahead and click on the Add Dependency option. This will prompt you to search for the task that needs to be completed before your current task can begin. In our example, we'll start typing Researching Data. As you type, Asana will provide you with some auto-suggestions. See if your prerequisite task pops up in that list. Once you see Researching Data in the suggestions, go ahead and select it. This step is essential as it creates a formal link between the two tasks, establishing that drafting the report cannot commence until researching data is fully completed. Now that you've set up the dependency, it's time to visualize the impact of this connection. Switch over to the timeline view in Asana. This will allow you to clearly see how your tasks are sequenced. In this view, you should notice a visual red arrow connecting your dependent tasks. This arrow is a fantastic way to ensure everyone on your team understands how tasks are interconnected and helps prevent any confusion about project timelines. And there you have it. You've successfully created dependencies on your tasks in Asana. It's a small but highly effective feature that can greatly improve workflow clarity and ensure that everyone on your team knows what needs to be done and when. Before we wrap up, go ahead and double-check your results. Make sure the dependency has been established correctly and that all related tasks are appropriately linked. This can save you and your team from unnecessary miscommunications as you move forward with your project. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you have all the tools you need to create task dependencies in Asana, helping your team work more efficiently and collaboratively. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful tips and insights on project management. Happy planning, and I'll see you